सुरक्षा, पर्सनल व्यक्तिगत सुरक्षा को राजनीति के हवाले कर दिया गया है। कम से कम सेफ्टी एंड सिक्योरिटी पे राजनीति नहीं होनी चाहिए।
पूरी दिल्ली दहशत में है और पूरी दिल्ली लोग बहुत ज्यादा डरे हुए हैं।
अरविंद केजरीवाल जी कहते थे मैं सुरक्षा नहीं लूंगा, वो आज मुख्यमंत्री भी नहीं। लेकिन एक राज्य केवल दिल्ली के ही नहीं, यहां की सिक्योरिटी तो है ही है, केंद्र की, पंजाब की भी, पंजाब के मुख्यमंत्री से ऊपर उनका नाम है।
I think Delhi police is competent enough to give you security. Clearly, Aam Aadmi Party's people and volunteers are being brought and Punjab police cars are being misused.
So, ladies and gentlemen, do you really believe that there is an attempt to eliminate Arvind Kejriwal as he wants us to believe? The BJP says no, this is a political stunt. This is a redux of a lot of this PR exercise that he does before every election. But having said that, there is not just khatra in Arvind Kejriwal's security as he alleges. Now he believes that the lotus symbol, the symbol that belongs to the BJP, that belongs to the Bharatiya Janata Party, whose head today is Narendra Modi, who's the Prime Minister, Arvind Kejriwal says कि lotus का symbol ही खतरनाक है. He sees khatra, he sees red, he sees a threat in that lotus symbol. I wonder why. And then he also says कि झाड़ू, which is the symbol for the Aam Aadmi Party, he says वो तो घर की लक्ष्मी की तरह है, उससे आप सब कुछ साफ कर सकते हैं, घर साफ होता है उससे, लेकिन लोटस खतरनाक है. So what really has happened? There is khatra on someone's mind. Is Arvind Kejriwal scared? Is he running nervous ahead of these big Delhi elections? Or as the BJP alleges, this is an attempt to deflect, to divert from issues of governance, from issues of freebies that possibly is not working for Arvind Kejriwal as the BJP alleges. The BJP also says, and they allege, that Arvind Kejriwal is running scared of the lotus, of the Kamal, because he is anti-Sanatan. He wants to attempt to polarize these elections. Because again, it is about the Musalman vote, the Muslim vote, that today does not know what it should do. Because Rahul Gandhi suddenly has gone missing in action. And this is Arvind Kejriwal wanting to consolidate that vote, and that is why he sees red. He sees red in the lotus symbol. It's a fascinating story. But Arvind Kejriwal is not a Rahul Gandhi, something that we have maintained on the show time and again. Before I get you questions that I think will be popping up on your mind also, just spend the next few seconds listening in to this khatra wala entire comparison coming in from Arvind Kejriwal and why today he's called the lotus, the symbol of the BJP, खतरनाक.
ये कमल का बटन बड़ा खतरनाक है, बड़ा खतरनाक है. और झाड़ू घर की लक्ष्मी मानी जाती है, घर की लक्ष्मी मानी जाती है. देखो, झाड़ू का बटन दबाओगे तो फ्री बिजली मिलेगी, कम से कम 5,000 रुपए महीने का फायदा होगा. फ्री शिक्षा मिलेगी.
So Kamal versus Jhadu we understand, but what is this conversation about the khatra? So from threat to his life to calling the BJP's poll symbol that is Kamal, that is the lotus, khatarnak. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to ask you, who do you believe is playing politics ahead of these big, very, very crucial Delhi elections? Let's bring up the next question now that's going to go up on your screens again, which will tell you why this battle is so very important. And I'm curious, much like you, what has made Arvind Kejriwal call the lotus symbol khatarnak? Why does he believe the lotus is khatarnak? Why has he done this? Why has he said this? What does he mean? Is he linking the lotus, which is also the national flower, that is also, remember, holding a significant place when it comes to the Hindu culture? Is he anti-Sanatan, as the BJP has alleged? Who's trying to fearmonger ahead of these elections? Who wants to tell you कि कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, कहीं पर खतरा है? What is this khatra catchword that has come into these Delhi elections? Delhi, imagine. They are talking about khatra in Delhi, but khatra from whom? Is there really a threat to Arvind Kejriwal's life, or is this a political stunt as alleged by the BJP? Because the BJP says कि हर election से पहले, हर चुनाव से पहले Arvind Kejriwal will come out with the same bogey. They say he is the same man who in 2014 had said भाई हमें कोई security नहीं चाहिए. So from that premise to saying कि मेरी जान को खतरा है, is Arvind Kejriwal no longer an Aam Aadmi? Governance, Hindutva, freebies, paranoia. What do you believe will influence the Delhi voter? And what is Arvind Kejriwal's larger gameplay when he says Lotus, the Kamal is khatarnak? Let's quickly say good evening to our panel of guests joining us. We have Charu Pragya, who represents the BJP. We also have Abhishek Sudhir, who's a political analyst on the show. We have Akashdeep Muni, political analyst. He does lean towards the Aam Aadmi Party, and Dr. Nikul Patel, who represents the Congress on the show. Also waiting for an official Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson to join us in just a moment. But Charu Pragya, what is this khatra? Arvind Kejriwal's life khatre mein hai, to the Lotus symbol khatarnak hai. Is the Lotus khatarnak, Charu?
Deepti, good evening to you. Khatra is on Aam Aadmi Party and its leaders right now. They are in the khatra of their government being weeded out for good from the state of Delhi. I was actually appalled at the way Arvind Kejriwal was speaking today. You know, he is saying कि कमल में खतरा है, लेकिन झाड़ू तो लक्ष्मी का प्रतीक है. इनको शायद पता ही नहीं है कि लक्ष्मी जी बैठती हैं कमल के ऊपर. Maybe he should first go back and सच में कुछ आस्था के साथ वो लक्ष्मी जी को देखेंगे तो उनको इस बात की समझ आएगी. But on a serious note, the issue with Arvind Kejriwal is that every single thing he talks about is basically a deflection tactic from the issues that the people of Delhi have been grappling with. Everything is a deflection tactic. So from saying मुझे security की जरूरत नहीं है, मुझे बहुत बड़े बंगले की जरूरत नहीं है, मैं अपनी छोटी सी मारुति में खुश हूँ. Today, even 60 police personnel of Delhi police, he says are insufficient.
But Charu, are you people troubling him? Are you harassing him? You want to get Arvind Kejriwal killed. That is the allegation that, you know, has been leveled by the Aam Aadmi Party today.
Exactly. It's laughable. It's laughable because he was saying all these kind of things while he was in Tihar jail. Tihar comes under Delhi government. It is under Aam Aadmi Party sarkar. In fact, we asked him then also, आपकी सरकार में ऐसा कौन है जो आज आपके खिलाफ खड़ा है? This deflection tactic is no longer going to work, Deepti, because since this campaign started, every day we've seen a new deflection. पहले तो आतिशी ये बोलती है मुझे घर से निकाल दिया गया, पता चला वो सारा ड्रामा स्टेज था. Today they are talking about this मेरी जान पर खतरा है. But give us some proof, talk some concrete things.
Okay, Akashdeep, only because I don't have the official Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson yet on the show. Tell me, what is this khatra? Arvind Kejriwal ko, Aam Aadmi Party ko, kisse khatra hai, and why do you find the Lotus khatarnak? Because it is a symbol of the BJP?
See, Deepti ji, during the Odisha election, Bharatiya Janata Party said that the Shankh is khatarnak, which is the symbol of BJD. So, were they against the Bharatiya Sanskriti, where the Shankh is an important symbol of Astha?
Are you copying the BJP? Are you admitting that this is nothing but you are copycatting the BJP? That's it.
When I'm saying, when Arvind Kejriwal says Lotus symbol में अगर वोट देंगे तो खतरनाक है.
नहीं, वो ये नहीं बोलते हैं, ये बाद में बोलते हैं, ये बाद में बोलते हैं, Akashdeep. He qualifies that later because he sent out a message. And you know, as students of politics, Akashdeep, there is, you know, a method to what Arvind Kejriwal does, obviously. So when he says कि कमल खतरनाक है, is he giving a message to his vote bank, the Muslim electorate? Is that the real purpose?
He is giving a message to all Delhiites that if you vote for Bharatiya Janata Party, it will be khatarnak. Why? Because as per Delhi police data, there has been increase of 46% in terms of murders, 60% in terms of burglary, extortion, sexual assault, theft.
You have the Punjab data on your hand. You have the data for Punjab on your hand, Akashdeep. Come on. No, this is not about law and order. This is not about security. This is plain, simple politics. No, Nikul, you think so? Because Sandeep Dixit today has also said much the same. Abhishek, I'm just coming to you. But Nikul, do you believe कि lotus का symbol और lotus जो कमल है वो खतरनाक है और झाड़ू घर की लक्ष्मी है?
It's a time of election, and even we have seen that Bharatiya Janata Party was even in its political speeches says that Mangal Sutra चुरा लेंगे, लोगों को डरना चाहिए, ये लोग ये करते हैं. तो it's a Kamal means they are what Kejriwal wants to convey is that the Bharatiya Janata Party government, what they are not working according to the required or things that they have faced during the entire 10 years of tenure. What is the conflict
You
between
also believe, the Congress also believes कि कमल खतरनाक है?
सी कमल खतरनाक है, ये जो स्टेटमेंट है जो आप इसको स्पेसिफिक इतना स्ट्रेस देके जो बोल रहे हैं ना, बराबर है. तो दैट शोज दैट कि कमल खतरनाक किस तरह से, व्हेन इट कम्स टू पॉलिटिकल एनवायरनमेंट, इट्स अ मैटर ऑफ गवर्नेंस. दैट इज नॉट अबाउट एनी खतरनाक जो खून कर देगा, ऐसा नहीं है.
अरे रुकिए ना, ये सब खतरा, खून कर देना, ये हो जाएगा, ये सब ये डर की भाषा मोहब्बत की दुकान में आ गई है. लेकिन जो मोहब्बत की दुकान का हेड है राहुल गांधी, apparently he is missing. But jokes apart, Nicole, I also have Preeti now, who represents the Aam Aadmi Party. She's on the show, and I want to, in fact, again play out that quick response of Arvind Kejriwal. Preeti, the moment he said कि कमल खतरनाक है, listen in, Nicole and Akashdeep, to what he had said. And then tell me who's trying to politicize and fearmonger. Arvind Kejriwal for you.
ये कमल का बटन बड़ा खतरनाक है, बड़ा खतरनाक है. और झाड़ू घर की लक्ष्मी मानी जाती है, घर की लक्ष्मी मानी जाती है. देखो, झाड़ू का बटन दबाओगे तो फ्री बिजली मिलेगी, कम से कम 5,000 रुपए महीने का फायदा होगा. फ्री शिक्षा मिलेगी.
सुप्रीति, क्या खतरनाक है अबाउट द कमल सिंबल?
सबसे खतरनाक बात about the Kamal symbol is that none of the promises that they ever make to the people of this country have ever been fulfilled. Whether it is the standard 15 lakh आपके खाते में आ जाएंगे, 2 करोड़ नौकरियां दे जाएंगे, डॉलर एंड रुपया एक ही दर पे होगा. All those, so you just forget about them. You talk about the problem, the things that they are offering the people of Delhi. They are offering the people, the women of Delhi, the same thing that we are offering them, that we'll give a Samman Rashi. But see what happened in Maharashtra. They gave it to around 2 crore women, and now they've taken it back from 65 lakh women. 65 lakh women are no longer the ladki behan of Devendra Fadnavis and Eknath Shinde. Abhi wo bhai behan ka rishta toot gaya. They promised free cylinders in so many states. It was not delivered. They promised 21,000 to pregnant women in other states. It was not delivered. 8,000 of the previous Yojana is still continuing. So everything that the Kamal promises to the people, it does not deliver. What it delivers is, of course, services to the super rich, loan waivers to the big corporates, and airports and ports to Adani. That is why it is dangerous for a poor country like India, where people depend on the government for welfare. And the one government that has always delivered to the people, where there's an actual difference in the economic budget of a person's house, is because of the Aam Aadmi Party. In Punjab, we've given electricity free. In Delhi, we give electricity free. There's water free. There's education which saves, if there's one child in the house, at least 5,000 rupees. Because it's world-class education being given free of cost.
Okay.
The BJP tries to copy these things, but then they put their caveats over there. They will give education free only to the needy, not to everybody. And then who is the needy is a question which you can just leave unanswered.
Okay,
Like who is the ladki behan now is the question again.
Charu, allow me. Preeti, for a moment, even if I buy whatever you're telling me, does this mean that anything is khatarnak? You know, the BJP has alleged that you hate Sanatan, and that is why आप बार-बार हिंदू धर्म के जो symbols हैं उन पर attack करते हैं. And you're saying this against the lotus symbol. And Arvind Kejriwal की जान को खतरा, to Kamal being खतरनाक, एक ही दिन में Arvind Kejriwal is seeing so much खतरा, Preeti.
बटन, हाँ. अरविंद केजरीवाल पे तो हर रोज हमले हो रहे हैं. Yesterday I went in Nai Delhi where Arvind Kejriwal ji was campaigning. There were people with lathis roaming around until our people came and Sanjay Singh came. That mob did not disperse. Attacks have been done on him where liquids have been thrown on him, and that could be any liquid. There are bricks thrown on him. Every other day our people are getting beaten up. Atishi ji, the Chief Minister of Delhi, has taken a press conference saying that Ramesh Biduri's own nephew, Mr. Biduri, is threatening for people. They are beating them up. So I think that...
Dipti,
Well, it's the BJP. The BJP is losing in Delhi like they have for the last 27 years. And therefore, they are desperate. They don't know how to handle this absolute defeat that's staring them in their face. And they've resorted to violence, and we can expect more violence in the coming days. That is
I should let Charu respond to that, but also put out this fact in public domain, Abhishek. I will come to you also. In 2014, Arvind Kejriwal had famously said, "हम security नहीं लेंगे, बंगला नहीं लेंगे, वैगन आर में चलते थे, मफलर पहनते थे, आम आदमी की शर्ट पहनते थे, आम आदमी की तरह नजर आते थे." But people are today asking, Preeti, what happened to that Aam Aadmi? He wants caste treatment. But Charu, what is this thing about security, no? I mean, is this some kind of an ego battle happening between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi party? Is Arvind Kejriwal so big that the BJP believes कि भाई उनको eliminate करना है? That's the charge.
Arvind Kejriwal has been around for a very long time, Preeti, and all these issues, talking of security today, like I said, is a deflection tactic. Let's understand that there is an investigation underway in Punjab to figure out how many police personnel and vehicles of Punjab police are being misused for campaign in Delhi. The Chief Minister of Delhi, Atishi, actually had to respond to the Election Commission because she's again been using government vehicles, PWD vehicles to campaign in Delhi, which is illegal. That is not what you're supposed to do. So these issues have to be looked at from a very different lens, and Aam Aadmi Party has the problem of dramatizing every single thing. They want to use Punjab as an example, and they talk about electricity. Today, I will tell you today, for 15 minutes, electricity went out while a surgery was on in a hospital in Patiala, causing the life of a man, death of a man. That is the situation of electricity in the state of Punjab. They talk about mobs and bricks. Need I remind you of Tahir Hussain, who was the king behind the collection of all the bricks and stones in the city of Delhi in 2020? You actually set a city to fire. So I am sorry, Aam Aadmi Party is today in a situation where nobody even wants to call them AAP. It is APDA. APDA, because that is all that they have inflicted on the people of Delhi. We deserve better. We are a party which have delivered on our promises across the country. Jab hum Ayushman Yojana ki baat karte hain,
in a Lok Sabha election, Delhi votes differently. In an assembly election, Delhi does vote very differently, and that is the problem.
Absolutely.
You know, this politics of polarization, fear also does not really work in Delhi, Abhishek. So that is why it's a different case. But truth be told, and though Preeti will not agree with this is a do or die battle for Arvind Kejriwal. See, he started with Revdi, and where has he come down to khatra on his life?
Well, of course, yeah.
Calling the lotus symbol khatarnak, Abhishek.
Exactly, like you said. See, you said that you hit the nail on the head. He started with Revdi, he started with his welfare schemes, whatever you want to call it, right? At the end of the day, Arvind Kejriwal has now been bested at his own game. Deepti, what I said to you a couple of days on your program, that's why you see now his campaign is not very focused. He's talking about law and order. He's talking about Kamal Khatarnak hai. He's talking about a threat to his life. So Arvind Kejriwal is a bit rattled. He doesn't know what to focus on because the BJP is matching him welfare scheme for welfare scheme. I just want to make a quick point. Charu touched on it about the security given to Arvind Kejriwal. This is a violation of MHA rules. Punjab police have been guarding Arvind Kejriwal without informing Delhi police. MHA rules are very clear. This applies to BJP leaders also. When you get Z+ security cover from one police force, that police force will operate within its jurisdiction. So Punjab police cannot come into Delhi's jurisdiction and provide security to Arvind Kejriwal. Election Commission also had to intervene in the matter, and that is why Punjab police had withdrawn security. As Charu said, 63 police officers are guarding Arvind Kejriwal.
Yes.
That's not enough for Arvind Kejriwal, and I find it funny that they're talking about law and order because law and order is not an issue in the Delhi Assembly election because law and order, Delhi police is under BJP. 2014, 2019, 2024, 707070. That law and order was an issue in each of those elections, and overwhelming vote of confidence for the MHA.
You know, if you just turn the argument, you see the BJP losing. The BJP does not have a face. Let's accept that. And the point is, look at the Congress today, Nikul. Where is the Congress? No one is talking about the Congress anymore in these elections. Rahul Gandhi is still missing from campaign, Nikul. You'll get the last word.
See, Rahul Gandhi ji is in the campaign that you have seen. He is into the streets and vegetable markets.
Where?
Vegetable markets of Delhi, and we have seen
Kidhar nazar nahi aa rahe hai na?
Yes, you are not able to see it, so that's fine. It's up to you. You are not wearing that.
Arey, come on.
Come on.
We are all Delhi voters. We want to see a good campaign by all political parties. Where is the Congress?
Talking of inflation, price rises that Delhi people are facing. Right, so over here you can say like that, but we are seeing him and we are campaigning it. So don't worry for it. People of Delhi will decide on the day of voting.
Will the Congress win these elections? Do you believe you will sweep these elections?
See, whatever seats we are going to win, that will be reflected on the day of results.
Nikul, you know, gives very short and sweet replies, Charu, when he doesn't have a reply to give. So he'll say, आप देखिएगा, समय रहते रहते सब clear हो जाएगा. But what if Nikul and Preeti need to sit together to keep Charu Pragya out? Now that could also be a possibility, no, Preeti?
See, right now the Congress is not relevant in this election. Somebody brought up the issue of crime. I don't know who the gentleman who was speaking up. But yes, that's a big issue for people of Delhi. 3 women get raped over here every day. Delhi is now got the highest number of kidnappings in the country. I have the data over here. Okay, I have crime statistics by their government. 17 children get kidnapped daily. I have data which is by their government. It's not data that I have published. So Delhi has become a crime capital. And yes, Arvind Kejriwal deserves protection because BJP and BJP's cahoots are attacking him. From the common man, he has no threat. If you were with him last night, you would have seen he was with the RWA citizens. He was playing. He was talking to children. The children wanted jhulas. He was talking to old women. When he is with the citizens of Delhi, he is safe. It is the BJP attackers that are the problem, and therefore security is required for him.
Quickly, 5 seconds.
Please don't tell me that if
quick rebuttal.
Yes, 5 seconds.
Security is given.
Quickly, 20 seconds.
Yes,
I just want a 20-second rebuttal.
Died under why security.
They're talking about law and order. I want to put on record. Aam Aadmi Party has 62 MLAs in Delhi. 18 of those MLAs have either been arrested, jailed, or convicted. Naresh Yadav of Mehrauli most recently. More than 25% of your MLAs have been arrested or jailed. Naresh Balyan has links with a dreaded gangster called Kapil Sangwan. You flooded Delhi with alcohol. You flooded Delhi with liquor. And then you have the audacity to talk about the crime rate. You flooded this city with liquor and liquor and liquor. And then you talk about crimes against women and extortion. Very, very rich coming from Aam Aadmi Party.
All right, and very, very rich, very, very rich. When our netas tell us कि भाई सब कुछ खतरे में है, सब मिले हुए हैं, clearly a poll script. But we'll have to wait and see what happens from here on. Preeti, only for want of time, I'm thanking you, Charu, and all gentlemen for joining us. We quickly head into a break. On the other side, back with more.